Theraderm has devised very good range of acne-based products for both in-clinic but also for home care as well. So we start off with the peels. The peels from Theraderm, the Black Peel Clear, consists of the fermentation of black rice from which we devise the black acetic acid. The Black Peel Clear is 20% acid, and we apply all the way on the face, and this is a lunchtime peel. Afterwards, we will apply the SIBO Hydra infused mask along with the Rumi device. So you will have no downtime with this peel. It is dedicated for a patient suffering from mild acne. Now, if you have a patient who has moderate to severe acne, we use the Black Peel Resurfacing. Again, it is black acetic acid, however at 45% acid and with the added benefits of the biosulfur and zinc. This is a resurfacing peel whereby the patient will peel after 8 hours when they cleanse their face and for 2 to 3 days. So now for the skincare range, we have the Black SIBO cleanser and toner. Actually, this Black SIBO cleanser is the improved version and latest of the cleansers from Theraderm, because again, like in the peel, it has the black acetic acid, it has the salicylic acid, but also with the added benefit of the niacinamide and sulfur. So after cleansing the face, then we spray on the toner all over the face to rebalance the skin surface. This cleanser is very unique because it has the double bubble technology. A lot of acne patients, they suffer from dryness on the skin. So this big bubble along with the mousse will provide a deep cleanse to the face whilst maintaining the skin hydration. So now that we've cleansed and toned our skin, the next thing would be to apply the black acne spot only over the areas that we have the pimples, and it can be used at night to leave it onto the skin and overnight as an overnight treatment. Also, we have the zinc gluconate serum, which is hyaluronic acid based serum with the added benefits of zinc inside of it, and this is a very good serum for the acne patients. And finally, we have the ultralight moisture dew. This is a light moisturizer for the acne patients. And our best seller, I must say, must be the Moisture Essence Sun Gel SPF, because Theraderm has been able to design an oil-free consistency SPF, which is in the form of an essence that will not clog the pores but will provide the sun protection. So this even for non-acne patients but who are looking for a very light, flawless SPF, this is the SPF to use. So along with all of this skincare range, we can treat and control the acne.